In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable location metadata on Claude AI Protect Your Privacy. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to turn it off so your chats don't carry extra location details you don't intend to share. First, a quick note on what we're changing. Location metadata is background information that can be attached to your activity, such as an approximate location derived from your device or network. While it can help tailor services, many people prefer to keep it off for added privacy. Disabling it keeps your conversations more focused on content, not context. Start by opening your Claude account. Make sure you're signed in on the device and browser you normally use. If you're using the web, go to the Claude homepage and log in. If you're on a mobile interface, the process is the same once you're in your account. Next, click on your profile. You'll typically find your profile picture or initials in the upper corner of the screen. That menu is where account-related options live, so it's the quickest path to the controls we need. From the profile menu, choose Settings. Look for a gear icon or the word Settings. Both lead to the same place. This is where Claude groups your account, security, and privacy controls, and it's designed to be straightforward even if you're new to the platform. Inside Settings, open the Privacy section. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a tab, a sidebar option, or a header you can expand. Either way, Privacy is where you manage what data is collected and how it's used. Now find the Location Metadata option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn that toggle off. When it's off, Claude stops attaching location metadata to your activity going forward. This doesn't delete any existing logs elsewhere, but it prevents new sessions from including that extra location detail. If you ever need location-aware features later, you can come back here and switch it back on just as easily. A couple of quick tips to finish up. If you use Claude on multiple devices, this setting is tied to your account and should carry over, but it's smart to double-check on each device. If the option looks temporarily unavailable, give the page a quick refresh or sign out and back in. On managed or workplace accounts, some settings may be controlled by an administrator, so the toggle might be locked. In that case, consult your organization's policy. That's it. Open your Claude account, go to your profile, head into Settings, select Privacy, and toggle off location metadata. Simple, fast, and an easy win for your privacy.